News out of Washington, D.C. now, where the U.S. Supreme Court heard oral arguments today in a case that could clarify whether domestic abusers should have access to guns.
Yeah, a 2022 ruling in a different gun rights case created nationwide confusion that led to this case. CBS 58's Adam Reif live in studio now to break down today's developments.
Well, Natalie, Jessup, there are two connected cases related to this. The one that was argued today and then a case from last year that prompted this challenge. After today's oral arguments, the Supreme Court seemed ready to confirm a federal law that blocks some people under domestic violence restraining orders from possessing guns. The current case started in 2019 when a woman was granted a restraining order against her boyfriend, Zackey Rahimi. That also barred him from having a gun, but later that year, Rahimi went on a shooting spree. He was indicted, but he argued the law barring him from owning a gun was unconstitutional. A different Supreme Court opinion issued in 2022, commonly called Bruen, expanded gun rights nationwide, but it also forced judges in lower courts to reconsider thousands of gun rules. According to CNN, the lower courts have used the Bruen case to block laws restricting the use of concealed firearms, prohibiting guns in houses of worship, and banning assault weapons. And after last year's Bruen ruling, an appeals court sided with Zackey Rahimi in the domestic violence case. That brings us to Tuesday. During Tuesday's arguments, the attorney arguing to uphold the law told the court a woman living with a domestic abuser is 5 times more likely to be murdered if the abuser has access to a gun. But she faced questioning from Justice Clarence Thomas and Chief Justice John Roberts when she claimed Congress can take guns away from people, quote, who are not law-abiding, responsible citizens. Oral arguments lasted for more than an hour and a half today. A decision is expected by next summer. Here in the studio, Adam Reif, CBS 58 News.